Hello my dear students and welcome back again. Today I am going to start class 5th English grammar second chapter, and that is the use of nouns. A noun is a word used as the name of a person, place or thing. A noun can be singular and plural. Let's start the exercise 1.1. Question number first. Rewrite each sentence using the plurals of underlined words. First one is a tomato is a fruit. In this sentence, we have to make the underlined word tomato into the plural form. And the answer is tomatoes are a fruit. In this sentence, we use tomatoes because noun ending in a consonant plus o generally form their plurals by ending es. So we can make tomatoes. Second, an apple grows on a tree. And the answer is apples grow on trees. We make apples because most of nouns form their plurals by adding s. Third, a mother has a kind heart. And the answer is mother have a kind heart. Fourth, a teacher is a man or woman. And the answer is teachers are man and woman. Fifth, a monkey was sitting on a pony. And the correct answer is monkeys were sitting on ponies. We make monkeys because if a noun ends in a vowel plus y, the plural form is formed by ending s. So we make monkeys. And the rest of the question you can do yourself and do this question into your notebook. Question number second. Rewrite each sentence using the singular form of underlined words. Some of nouns are always singular and take a singular verb. We have to make the underlined word house in singular form, and the answer is a house has a roof. Roof may be 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. We take a singular verb also, so we use has. Second one, schools are large building, and the answer is a school is a large building. Third, firemen wear steel helmet, and the correct answer is a fireman wears a steel helmet. In this sentence, we take a verb plural, so we take wears. 4. Are foxes cunning animals? And the correct answer is a fox a cunning animals, because we make it into the singular form, so we use is. 5th, tables are pieces of furniture, and the correct answer is a table is a piece of furniture. My dear students, rest of question you can do yourself. Do this question in your notebook. Question number third. Correct the following sentences. First one is Lucy has golden hairs. In this sentence, hairs is incorrect because hair is uncountable noun and we can't make into the plural form, and the right answer is Lucy has golden hair. Second, I saw a flock of sheep. In this sentence, sheep is incorrect and the correct answer is I saw a flock of sheep. We use sheep because some of noun have the same form in a singular and plural as. Third, no news are good news. In this sentence, are is incorrect because some of nouns always take a singular and also a singular verb. So the correct answer is no news is good news. Fourth, physics are a difficult subject. In this sentence, physics is a singular, so we take a singular verb also, and the answer is physics is a difficult subject. Physics are a difficult subject. It is the wrong way, and the correct way is physics is a difficult subject. Fifth, I bought 3 dozens oranges, and the correct answer is I bought 3 dozen oranges. This one is right one. So my dear students, rest of the question you can do yourself. Do this question in your notebook. Exercise 2.2. Before going to start this exercise, I want to say Please open your book on page number 12 and look the definitions, nouns and kinds of gender. First, a noun used for a male is of the masculine gender as man, boy, uncle, son, brother, king, lion. A noun used for a female is of the feminine gender as woman, girl, aunt, daughter, sister, queen, lioness. A noun used for both male and female is of the common gender like child, friend, cousin, person, pupil, teacher. Fourth one is a noun that is neither male nor female and that is a thing without life is of the neutral gender like house, knife, tree, chair, table, desk, ball and so on. First one is give the opposite gender of the following. First, less and the opposite gender of less is lad. Second, aunt and the opposite gender of aunt is uncle. Third, widow and the opposite of widow is widower. Fourth, madam and the opposite gender of madam is sir. Landlady and the opposite gender of landlady is landlord. Bull, opposite of bull is cow. Mare, horse. Actress, actor. Peahen, peacock. Milkman, milkmaid. Hero, heroine. Nicey, nephew. Master, mistress. Bachelor, maid. Emperor, empress. Do this question in your book. There is no need to do this question into your notebook. Question number 2 of this exercise. Change the gender of nouns in each sentence. Make other necessary changes also. First one is a widower is one who has lost his wife. In this sentence, we can change the gender of widower and wife. And the correct answer is a widow is one who has lost her husband. Second, the lion killed the washerman's daughter. And the answer is the lioness killed the washerman's son. Third, I saw a fat man riding a thin mare. And the correct answer is I saw a fat woman riding a thin horse. Fourth, the hunter fired at the tiger and killed him. And the correct answer is the huntress fired at the tigress and killed her. Fifth, he is a good actor. He plays the role of a hero. Exercise 2.3. Before starting this exercise, if you have opened your English grammar book so far, then you can see the question number first and also the figure on page number 14. First one is my head's top and the correct answer is the top of my head. Second, the table's leg and the answer is the legs of the table. Third, the book's cover and the answer the cover of the book. Fourth, the room of Arun and the answer is Arun's room. In this sentence, we use apostrophe s with a singular noun but only apostrophe sign with a plural noun. A plural noun not ending in s take apostrophe s in the possessive form. Fifth, the father of Jane and the answer is Jane's father. And the rest of question you have to do yourself. Do this question in your book. Second question, are these sentences okay? Correct the incorrect one. First one is I stayed at the house of my sister. This is incorrect and the correct answer is I stayed at my sister's house. We use apostrophe s because we often use the possessive apostrophe s with a personal noun to show possession, relationship or the place where one lives or work. Second, what is the name of this village? This one is right answer. So there is no need to correct this one. Third, the house of my parents is not big. This is incorrect. In this sentence, we use apostrophe s and the correct answer is my parents' house is not big. Fourth, do you like the color of the coat? This is correct. Fifth, the walls of this house are very thin. This is also a correct. Sixth, when is the birthday of your mother? This is incorrect and the correct answer is when is your mother's birthday? We use apostrophe s in mother's because it is in a possessive form. So the rest of the question you have to do yourself in your notebook. Question number 3 of exercise 2.3. Use the words in brackets to write the answer. With the help of bracket, we can write a correct answer. First one is, where is Neha? And the answer is at the baker's. We use normally the possessive apostrophe s for the people and animals. Second, whose pen is this? And the answer is Nina's. Third, where is your dad? And the answer is at the dentist. Fourth, whose clinic is this? And the answer is Dr. Kumar's. Fifth, where are you going? And the answer is to the grocer's. Sixth, where is she staying? And the answer is at her grandma's. And the rest of the question you have to do yourself in your notebook. My dear students, I hope you understand all this chapter very well. Thank you.